How to view your item listing on Facebook Marketplace. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure that your application is up to date. If not, you can head over to your App Store and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, open the app. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. It will land you on this home page. Once you're in here, at the bottom, you'll find the option where it says Marketplace. Well, if you can't find this option, then it might be hidden. Head over to your menu section at the bottom right corner and move into your settings and privacy. Head over to your navigation bar and then you need to pin the option of Marketplace. Once you have pinned, the option will be available in this bar. Head over to it. Click on this person icon at the top right. Over here, you can see the category of selling, preferences, and as well as account. Inside preferences, you'll find the option of your listing. Head over to it. It will land you on this interface. In this page, you'll be able to see all of the items that you have listed. But if you don't have one, you can simply create your listing by clicking on Create New Listing. Enter the detail of your product and then click on Publish at the top right corner. Once you are done, your listing will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can view your item listing on Facebook Marketplace. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.